Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we journey to Cirencester, the ancient heart of the Cotswolds, once known as Corinium Museum. Let's uncover the 14 essential locations that define this remarkable town, where 2,000 years of history meet vibrant modern life. Our journey begins at the Corinium Museum, nestled in the heart of Cirencester, a town once known as Corinium Museum during the Roman era. This museum is more than just a collection of artifacts. It's a living portal that transports us back nearly 2,000 years, to a time when this region was one of the most important Roman settlements in Britain. As you step inside, you're greeted by a treasure trove of history. The museum's galleries are filled with objects that tell the story of Roman Britain, from everyday household items to grand works of art. Among the highlights are the breathtaking mosaics, such as the intricate Four Seasons mosaic, which once adorned the floors of Roman villas. These masterpieces, along with personal belongings and tools, help us imagine the vibrant life that once thrived here. Tombstones inscribed with Latin, beautifully crafted pottery, and delicate jewelry offer glimpses into the lives of soldiers, merchants, and families who called Corinium home. Each artifact reveals a unique story, painting a vivid picture of daily routines, beliefs, and aspirations. As visitors wander through the exhibits, they are invited to connect with the people of the past, to imagine their hopes, struggles, and achievements. The museum's treasures serve as a bridge across centuries, linking us directly to those who once walked these ancient streets. The Corinium Museum stands as the essential first chapter in understanding Cirencester's remarkable story, a place where the echoes of Roman Britain still resonate, inviting us to explore and discover the roots of this extraordinary town. Next, we step into Cirencester Park, a masterpiece of landscape design by the Bathurst family. Its grand avenue, ancient trees, and hidden follies offer a sanctuary for both wildlife and visitors. Even on busy days, the park's vastness ensures moments of solitude and connection with nature. Dominating the historic market town of Cirencester is the magnificent parish church of St. John the Baptist, a landmark that rises above the rooftops and can be seen from miles around. Its imposing presence has shaped the town's skyline for centuries, serving as a beacon for locals and visitors alike. Often affectionately called the Cathedral of the Cotswolds, this grand church is renowned for its size, beauty, and historical significance. Even though it is not officially a cathedral, its nickname reflects the deep pride the community feels for this remarkable building. The church's stunning Gothic architecture, with its soaring arches and intricate stonework, speaks to a rich heritage. Treasures like the famous Berlin Cup, a rare and precious artifact, offer a glimpse into the church's long and storied past, echoing centuries of faith, tradition, and prosperity. Step inside, and you'll find the nave bathed in golden sunlight, creating an atmosphere of peace and reverence. The interplay of light and shadow brings the ancient stone to life, inviting quiet reflection. Sunbeams illuminate centuries-old tombs and vibrant stained glass windows, each pane and monument telling a unique chapter of Cirencester's story, from medieval times to the present day. More than just a place of worship, the church remains the enduring heart of the community, hosting gatherings, celebrations, and moments of quiet contemplation for generations of Cirencester's residents. At New Brewery Arts, creativity thrives in a converted Victorian brewery. Watch artisans at work, explore galleries, and experience the vibrant pulse of contemporary craft. It's a living centre for the arts, connecting Cirencester's heritage to its creative present. On the town's edge, the Cirencester Amphitheatre's grassy mounds mark the site of Roman spectacles. Once seating 8,000, it's now a peaceful space where echoes of the past linger. The amphitheatre's transformation from arena to park is a powerful symbol of change. Here, history and tranquility coexist. Just beyond town, the Cotswold Water Park is a reclaimed landscape of over 180 lakes, It's a haven for wildlife and a playground for kayakers, cyclists and birdwatchers. The park's ecological restoration is a triumph, blending recreation with conservation. Here, people and nature thrive together. The Abbey Grounds Park sits atop the lost St. Mary's Abbey, its Norman arch, a silent witness to centuries past. Today, manicured lawns and a tranquil lake offer a peaceful retreat for the community. The park is a living memorial where history and daily life intertwine. Cirencester's marketplace is the town's vibrant centre, alive with traders, shoppers and local produce. Market days are a celebration of community and tradition, connecting past and present. Even off-market, the square buzzes with cafes, shops and festivals. It's the living, breathing heart of Cirencester. Cerney House Gardens is a hidden Victorian walled garden brimming with colour and wild charm. Wander through overflowing borders, fragrant herbs and woodland trails, a feast for the senses. It's a peaceful escape, deeply rooted in the area's horticultural heritage. The Bathurst estate, managed for over 300 years, shapes much of Cirencester's landscape. Public footpaths wind through rolling parkland and ancient woods, revealing the rural heart of the Cotswolds. Walking here is to experience a living legacy of stewardship and tradition. The Elemental Sculpture Park blends art and nature in a 10-acre woodland. Sculptures emerge among trees and streams, changing with the seasons and light. It's an immersive, playful experience, art thriving in the wild. Cirencester's open-air swimming pool, dating to 1869, is a beloved summer retreat. Fed by spring water and run by volunteers, it's a nostalgic slice of Victorian leisure. On warm days, it's the perfect place to relax and enjoy a timeless tradition. The Old Kennels Gallery, once home to foxhounds, now showcases local art in a historic setting. Rotating exhibitions and workshops connect visitors with the region's creative spirit. It's a welcoming space where past and present meet through art. The Fleece Hotel, a former coaching inn since the 1600s, is a symbol of Cirencester's hospitality. Its historic charm and lively atmosphere make it a favourite for locals and visitors alike. The Fleece is a living piece of history, an ideal place to reflect on your journey. Our journey through Cirencester comes to a close, but the story of this remarkable town continues to unfold every day, woven with ancient Roman roots, the grandeur of medieval times, and the vibrant creativity of the present. Each street and building holds echoes of centuries past, blending seamlessly with the energy of today's community. Cirencester is a place where history and modern life exist side by side, inviting you to wander its markets, discover hidden gems, and truly become part of its living, breathing story. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply seeking inspiration, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Destination Perfect. We hope you've enjoyed exploring Cirencester as much as we have. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder, discovery, and unforgettable moments wherever you go.